Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
What's your favorite food? Do you prefer sweet or savory, fruits or vegetables? Ah, the joy of food. It's a universal language that brings us all together. It's a celebration of the diversity of tastes and preferences that make us unique. Beyond just satisfying our hunger, food plays a pivotal role in our lives. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of food in English. We'll be learning food-related vocabulary and how to express our likes and dislikes. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of food in English. There's an enormous variety of foods available to us, but to simplify, we can categorize them into fruits, vegetables, snacks, and drinks. Let's start with fruits. Fruits are the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seeds and can be eaten as food. They come in many shapes, sizes, and flavors. For instance, apples are crunchy and mildly sweet, perfect for a quick snack. Bananas, on the other hand, are soft and sweet, often enjoyed in desserts or on their own. Oranges, with their burst of citrus tang, are enjoyed worldwide and are a great source of vitamin C. Next, we have vegetables. These are plants or parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. Vegetables can be leafy, like spinach, which is rich in iron and vitamins. Carrots are root vegetables with a sweet and crunchy texture, often used in salads or cooked in various dishes. Potatoes are starchy vegetables, versatile in cooking, and a staple in many cuisines. Snacks are smaller meals that are usually eaten between main meals. They can be sweet or savory. Consider the crispy and savory chips, the sweet and crunchy cookies, or the light and fluffy popcorn. Lastly, we have drinks. Drinks are liquids that can be swallowed as refreshment or nourishment. This category includes water, essential for life, fruit juices, a tasty source of vitamins, and sodas, often carbonated and sweetened beverages. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to delve a little deeper. Everyone has that one food they can't resist, their favorite. How do you talk about your favorite food in English? Let's dive into this delicious topic. To express our preferences, we often use the phrase, "I like." It's simple, it's straightforward, and it gets the message across. For instance, if you're a fan of burgers, you say, "I like burgers." If you're partial to a bowl of hot soup on a chilly day, you say, "I like soup." It's as easy as pie. And speaking of pie, if you have a sweet tooth, you might say, "I like apple pie." But what if you want to be more specific? What if you want to talk about that one food that you love above all others? Well, that's when we use the phrase, "my favorite food is." This phrase gives the listener a clear understanding of what your number one food choice is. So, if you're someone who can't resist the cheesy goodness of a pizza, you would say, "My favorite food is pizza." Or perhaps you're someone who believes that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, then you'd say, "My favorite fruit is apple." And remember, everyone's taste is different, and that's what makes food talk so exciting. You might love spicy tacos while your friend might prefer a cool, refreshing salad. The beauty of food is that there's something for everyone. Now it's time to practice. Think about your favorite food. Is it a juicy steak, a bowl of fresh strawberries, or a slice of creamy cheesecake? Now use the phrases we've learned today to make a sentence about it. I like steak. My favorite fruit is strawberries. I love cheesecake. And there you have it. You've just learned how to talk about your favorite foods in English. So the next time someone asks you what your favorite food is, you can confidently answer, "My favorite food is," or "I like," and share your culinary preferences with the world. Now you can tell everyone about your favorite foods. Just as there are foods we love, there are also those we don't enjoy as much. How do you express food preferences in English? Well, it's pretty straightforward, and it all boils down to some simple phrases. When you absolutely adore a food item, you can say, "I love," for instance, let's say you're a fan of strawberries. You might say, "I love strawberries." It's a simple yet expressive way to share your fondness for this juicy red fruit. Now, on the flip side, when you don't really care for a certain food, you can say, "I don't like." As an example, if broccoli is not your cup of tea, you could say, "I don't like broccoli." This phrase clearly communicates your distaste for this particular green vegetable. But what if you're stuck between two food items? Maybe you enjoy both apples and bananas, but given a choice, you'd pick bananas every time. In this case, you could say, "I prefer bananas over apples." This phrase is perfect for showing a preference between two or more things. So, there you have it. 3 simple phrases to express your food preferences. I love, I don't like, and I prefer. Use these phrases to share your favorite foods, those you don't really enjoy, and your top picks when given a choice. Remember, There's no right answer when it comes to food preferences, it's all about what you enjoy. We've journeyed through the delectable world of food today. We've explored basic food categories from fruits to snacks and drinks to vegetables. We've learned to express our favorite foods like saying, "I love pizza," or "My favorite fruit is apple." We've also practiced sharing our food preferences, whether we like sweet over savory or prefer a hot cup of coffee to a cool glass of lemonade. Next time you're discussing food, remember these phrases and don't hesitate to share your culinary preferences. After all, food is a universal language we all speak.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, my favorite food at level A1. Tasty. Tasty, having a pleasant flavor. Example, pizza is my favorite food because it's so tasty. Sweet. Sweet, having the taste or flavor characteristic of sugar, honey, etc. Example, I love chocolate cake because it's very sweet. Sour. Sour, having an acid taste like lemon or vinegar. Example, lemons are sour, but I like adding them to my water. Spicy. Spicy, containing strong flavors from spices. Example, I enjoy eating spicy food like curry because it's exciting. Fruit. Fruit, the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food. Example, my favorite fruit is mango because it's sweet and juicy. Vegetable. Vegetable, a plant or part of a plant used as food, typically as accompaniment to meat or fish. Example, I try to eat lots of vegetables, like carrots and broccoli, to stay healthy. Healthy. Healthy, beneficial and good for one's health. Example, salads are healthy and can be very delicious with the right ingredients. Meal. Meal, the food eaten on an occasion of eating, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Example, dinner is my favorite meal because the whole family gathers to eat together. Cook. Cook, to prepare food by heating it, so that it is ready to eat. Example, I love to cook pasta because it's easy and quick. Snack. Snack, a small amount of food eaten between meals. Example, fruits or nuts make a great snack when I'm a little hungry. Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.